Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainy Bite. Today I'll show you how to recover deleted videos on YouTube. Let's get straight into it. First, open the YouTube app. Then click your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right corner, then scroll down and tap on Send Feedback. Next, click Get Started. Here's the important part. You'll see a feedback box. You need to clearly explain your situation. Mention that you accidentally deleted YouTube videos and need to restore deleted content. Be specific about why you deleted them and why recovery is necessary. This helps YouTube support understand your request. Once you've written your explanation, click Send. Now, YouTube typically responds within 24 hours, and your deleted videos should be recovered to your channel. And that's it, a simple way to retrieve lost YouTube videos. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Brainy Bite for more YouTube tips and tricks. See you in the next one.